Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Samsung Galaxy F23. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and go into Advanced Features option. Here I choose Screenshot and Screen Recorder option. And now, how you can see, on the bottom we got Screen Recorder block. So, first option in the list will be Sound option. If you tap it, you can change maybe for example no sound or media sounds. If you wanna select media sounds, press and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.